The ultimate discipline challenge, 30 days to change your life. Have you ever felt like your life is stuck on repeat? Every single day, the same mistakes, the same frustrations, the same broken cycle. You know something needs to change. You want to change. But here's the brutal truth. You're not yet willing to pay the price for that change. So let me ask you directly, are you ready? Do you truly believe your life can be completely transformed in just 1 month? If your answer is yes, then give me the next 4 minutes of your full, undivided attention, because I'm about to hand you a 30-day challenge that will awaken the version of you that's been sleeping and turn you into the person you've only ever seen in your dreams. Section 1. The promise. Most people quit when they hear about long, difficult roads. But I'm not talking about a 1-year goal. I'm not asking for a decade of sacrifice. I'm asking for 1 month, just 30 days. If you follow the path I'm about to lay out, I guarantee you will never be the same person again. This challenge is not just about changing your routine. This is a contract to rewire your mindset. This is about taking back control of your day, every single day. Section 2. Rule number 1, own your morning. Forget your comfortable pillow. Forget the snooze button. For these 30 days, that luxury is gone. Wake up by 5 or 6 a.m. Why? Because when you rise before the rest of the world, you give yourself a psychological edge. The silence of the early morning offers a rare clarity and creative power that no other time of day can match. You prove to yourself that your dreams matter more than your comfort. The moment you wake up, no social media. The first 30 minutes belong entirely to you. A light workout, a cold shower. That cold water doesn't just wake up your body, it destroys the laziness in your brain and hands you a small victory right at the start of your day. And that small victory, it builds the willpower you'll need to face everything else that comes your way. Remember, a disciplined morning builds a disciplined life. Section 3. Rule number 3. Set 3 non-negotiable goals. Before each day begins, write down 3 primary goals, tasks that if left undone make your day a failure. This is your first step out of a purposeless life. Do you know what the most valuable currency in today's world is? It's not money, it's attention. We are all suffering from an epidemic of distraction, checking notifications every 10 minutes, mindlessly scrolling, jumping between conversations. These habits are silently killing your momentum. For these 30 days, practice deep work. When it's time to work, put the phone away, cut the internet, and place yourself in an environment with 0 interruptions for at least 90 minutes. Your every working hour is now as precious as gold. 90 minutes of pure focus will outperform 8 hours of scattered, distracted effort, because it's not the quantity of your work, it's the quality that determines your success. Section 4. Rule number 4. 10 minutes of silence. We spend all day running toward the outside world and completely forget to listen to the world within. An essential part of this 30-day challenge is 10 minutes of silence every day. In the morning, before the noise begins, close your eyes. Don't think about your to-do list. Don't think about your problems. Just breathe. Call it meditation or simply call it silence. It doesn't matter. Through this practice, you will reconnect with yourself. You'll begin to recognize your weaknesses, understand your fears, and bring your goals into sharp clarity. In the silence, the voice of your inner leader, the one who knows your true path, grows louder. When the outer noise stops, the inner wisdom becomes clear. Section 5. Fuel your body right. Your body directly controls the performance of your brain. For this 1 month, eliminate junk food and sugary drinks entirely. Processed food and refined sugar destroy your energy and your focus within moments of consumption. Give yourself fuel that provides lasting, sustainable power, not a quick spike followed by a crash. Drink plenty of water. When your body is strong, your mind becomes sharp.
Balanced nutrition combined with just 15 minutes of daily exercise is the foundation of your 30-day success. It won't just transform your body, it will reduce mental stress and unlock completely new ways of thinking. Section 6. Rule number 5. Learn to say no. Your time is your most valuable asset. The greatest resource in your life is your attention and your time, and you cannot afford to give that away carelessly. For these 30 days, say no to everything that doesn't serve your growth. Stop spending time with people who drain your energy. Stop mindlessly scrolling through social media. From now on, treat social media as a tool, something that serves your goals, not something that steals your hours. You are no longer a consumer of content. You are a creator. Section 7. Face your fear through action. The biggest obstacle isn't the market. It isn't the competition. It's fear, the fear of failure. For this 1 month, work with your fear beside you. Don't avoid it. Don't hide from it. Walk through it by taking action. Every successful person has failed. The only difference between them and those who gave up is this: they refused to let fear win. Fear only grows when you sit still. The moment you take a step forward, fear begins to shrink. 30 days of action despite fear, and fear itself will surrender to you. Section 8. Build mental toughness through the grind. Understand this. During this 30-day journey, some days will be hard. Frustration will come. Old habits will try to pull you back, and that is exactly the test. When you feel like giving up, that's the moment to remember why you started. Mental toughness is like a muscle. It only grows stronger through the challenge of showing up every single day. By the final day of this challenge, a new identity will have been forged. These 30 days will teach you something that no classroom ever could, that you can conquer anything. Section 9. End each day with a journal. To make this 30-day transformation complete, add one final habit. Write a brief journal entry every night. Note your achievements. Note where you could have done better. This self-reflection will keep you aware of your progress and teach you gratitude for even the smallest wins. It will not only calm your mind, it will make your path forward clearer for the next day. Write down the voice of your inner self. Don't let it go unheard. Closing. The call to action. Now, the decision is yours. Will you accept the 30-day challenge? 1 month, no excuses, just commitment. Imagine how you'll feel at the end of these 30 days. The tasks that once felt like mountains will feel like pebbles. You will carry a new confidence, a deep, unshakable peace within yourself. But if you don't start today, 1 month from now, you'll be standing in this exact same place, full of regret, thinking, "I wish I had started that day." Don't give yourself that regret. Don't wait for a new month. Don't wait for Monday. Change begins right now. Make a promise that for these 30 days, you will say goodbye to the old version of yourself. Outro. If this video has lit even a small fire within you, then it's your responsibility to pass that fire on. Share this message with a friend or a loved one who needs this kind of change in their life. If you found value here, give this video a like. And if you want more content that challenges you to grow, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a message. Thank you, and let the challenge begin.